Hello, in this video we're going to do another assembly. This will be a structure of a weld assembly, and as usual we start by saving the file. I'll call this one a base plate because it will form the base of this assembly. And as for the folder, I think I will have a new folder, and I'll call this folder Weld Fixture. This is very important for you when you're starting a new project. So all our files are going to go there. Then I save. I start off with straight away with a sketch, and since it's going to be the base, I'll put it on the top plane. Pan it to the left, and then go for the 2-point triangle. The length here is 300. Press tab and put the height, which is 180. And then we have a rectangle there. I straight away go to extrude this rectangle, and the depth, I can click on the small house there to see how it is going. The depth is going to be 25 from the drawing, and I press enter. Now there is a chamfer at the top. That one we do after. So now we put holes. So I click on the top face and then do sketch again. Once again, I draw. Well, there's a lot of ways you can do this, but I can just draw one circle somewhere. Each of these circles is, you can see the dimension there is 20 mils. So I put 20 mils. So those holes are 25 millimeters from each corner. So I can do that, and then I can use a pattern, or I can just draw them locally. So I'll just do this. I know it's 25 from that end and 25 from this end. So that gives us one of the circles. Now I can put a center line, just track center line. So I put here a line, and then using this other tool there for construction, I change that line into a construction, and then I will mirror that one hole I've done on the other side, on the right side. So if I click on mirror, select this circle, select the mirror line, then I'll get the other circle there, which will also be 20 millimeters. I pick the circle command, track this other one from the left up to the center here to make the other hole, which is also 20 millimeters. So my construction was still active, so we need to change this to a normal line. Now I have 3 of them already, so I can get another construction line along the center on this side. Press escape and remove that construction this time, and then I can mirror all these 3, 1, 2, 3 on this line. Select mirror line, and now I have all the 6 holes. So if I click on the small house, then I can see what is going ahead. Then I press E for extrude. Now we are going to do cut. So I can either put a negative value or I can, let me put this one a bit down here so we don't need it anymore. I can put a cut, or I can drag this arrow, which is the easiest actually, downwards as much as possible, so long as it goes through, and then I press OK, and that one is done. So if you look at this, will be missing now. It will be missing the chamfers at the edge, which is 2 mils, and also 2 mil chamfer around the holes. So if I go to modify, I pick chamfer, to always go behind there, and then I pick all 4 edges, and that is maybe we need to do fillet first. So I start with fillet and pick all the 4 corners, and the fillet is 10. Then I click OK. Then I do the chamfer. Chamfer is 2 millimeters. If I do the edge, I put 2 mils here, and then the same chamfer is on the holes. So I add, and then I pick all the holes. Then I put, let me see, 1 face, 2 edges. Let me do it again. Chamfer. Pick those edge. 2. Click OK. Then chamfer again. Pick the bottom edge. That's 2. I click OK. And then the holes also have chamfers. If I click chamfer, I can click, let me do the whole hole. Do the holes. The hole. The hole. The hole on the hole. Yeah. Then I put 2 mils and I click OK. So this one will have chamfers on the top, on the bottom, and that piece is now done. So wait for the next one until we go to the assembly.